Hello everyone, this is Vaidya sir and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss the first chapter of the standard 7, that is the integers, and we are taking the IMO over here of our standard 7. So let's start without taking any time. So first question, but right now I am just taking the all questions and answer of the questions. So I'm not going to explain the basic details related to the integers and the other things related to the other chapters. So just our main focus is related to the questions which is given in the IMO textbook or maybe a workbook. So first question is basically saying that. So first of all, I just want to clear you one thing, that I'm just going to take the all questions by taking or writing on the board. So it will take to pause the video and cut that, and then other things are there. Absolutely. So I think we are able to manage this one. So first question is saying that using the given relation answer the following. So first of all, I just want to clear you one thing, that integer means all positive numbers including 0 and the negative signs with the natural numbers. So integers is a very basic thing, you have already learned that particular thing. So first question is used to given data and a formula, that is the degree Celsius is equals to inside the bracket Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. So this is the equation for us, and they are saying that find the value of the Fahrenheit if degree Celsius is equals to minus 35. So how we are going to find it? Just look at the question. I am just solving it as a solution. So basically I am just mentioning the again formula, that is the degree Celsius is equals to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. So it's a very easy and simple one. So degree Celsius is equals to minus 35 is equals to Fahrenheit, we have to find it, that is the Fahrenheit as it is minus 32 as it is into 5 by 9. Therefore, so what is the reciprocal of this one after coming towards this one? So is equals to sign, it becomes 9 by 5 after taking towards the is equals to sign. So it becomes minus 35 divided by, no need to mention that, 9 by 5 is equals to, so Fahrenheit as it is minus 32 as it is. Last step, maybe a last step. So 5 1 the 5, 5 7 the 35. So minus 7 into 9, it becomes 63. That is the minus 63. Why? Because here it is a negative sign, so that's why we are putting minus 63 is equals to Fahrenheit minus 32. So last step I am just mentioning over here due to the lack of space. So minus 63, and after taking towards the is equals to sign, that is the minus 2 becomes plus 2. After taking towards the is equals to sign, it becomes Fahrenheit. So 3 minus 2, or maybe this one is a minus, so this one is a plus. After taking, it becomes 1, and 3 minus 3, 6 minus 3, that is 3, minus 31 is equals to Fahrenheit. So this one is our final answer as a B. So I hope you have got this one. So next one, we are moving towards the next question. So basically the formula is the same over here, they have provided us, that is the as a solution. So I hope this is visible for you. So just focus over here. So degree Celsius as it is inside the bracket Fahrenheit. Instead of taking out the Fahrenheit, we are just putting the value, that is the Fahrenheit is equals to 104 minus 32 into 5 by 9. So minus 32 after taking the it becomes 102 after reducing the 2, and it becomes 72 into 5 by 9 is equals to, it's so simple, 9 1 the 9, 9 8 the 72, 8 5 the 40. So degree Celsius is equals to, your final answer is equals to A as a final answer, because it becomes the degree Celsius is equals to 40. So this one is the evaluate the given value, that is the minus 16 divided by inside the square bracket minus 13 plus, and inside the particular bracket, that is the minus 6 bracket close, divided by minus 60 divided by minus 60. So this is going to be a very easy for you to solve this one. So I am just solving for you. Look at the board carefully. So minus 16 as it is, first of all try to use your BODMAS rule. So minus inside the bracket. So here it is a bracket, so try to solve the bracket first by using the rule of the BODMAS. Minus 13 and minus 3, it becomes minus 16. So inside the bracket minus 16, just taking the bracket and divided by, so minus 16 divided by minus 16, all of you know that the minus minus becomes plus, and 60 divided by 60 it becomes 1. So I am just taking directly, that is a 1. So no need to take 1, but I am taking it right now. So minus 16 divided by minus 16, all of you know that minus minus becomes plus, so it becomes already 1 is equals to, and here it is divided by 1, it means 1, and final answer becomes 1. So sorry for this one, I haven't taken yet the option, so just I am looking at the options. So options are, first one is that it is saying that the 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1, and last one is that minus 2. So which one is correct one? So C1 is the correct one. So next question is that question number 4. Find P and Q. So they have provided us of two statements, and sum of the two integers is 71. So we don't have right now two integers, we have just only one integer, that is the one of them is minus 101. Then find the other one. So basic thing is, over here we don't need to take a load of anything, that is the, suppose here are the, in a solution, two integers as a x and y, or maybe a x and y are and two integer. Therefore, how we are going to do that particular thing, that is the one of them is equals to 101. Suppose x is equals to minus 101 plus, right now why don't we have is equals to 71 as a final answer, because addition of these two integers is equals to 71. So y is equals to 71 plus 101, after taking towards the is equals to sign, it becomes plus 101. So it becomes 1 plus 1 2, 7 and 1. So here it is the second one is equals to 171, 172, 172. So here are the three options. And in the second statement, they are saying that the product of an integer. So I have just related to the doubt related to the second one. That is the product of an integer. There must be a other than 0. So I think here it is some mistake related to this one. And q is 0. Why? Because I am just particularly saying that particular thing. If we are going to take any integer, it means 0 is an integer. Suppose we are taking integer as a 0, then it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe a. So they are asking to us q may be a 0, q may be a 1, q may be a 2. Why? Because the final answer is 0. So we have two integers and product requires 0. If the product requires 0, then first one is an integer, so we are able to take the 0. So it means q we can take 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0. So answer may be a this one, this one, this one. So statement is related to, we have to change, that is the I think so. So no need to worry about that. They have provided this answer as a first one. Which of the following number sentences best describes the problem shown on the number line? So here it is a one number line for us, and we have to find the which one is the correct one out of the given options. So from 0 we are moving towards the left side of the 0. So here it is, we have covered the around 3 units and we are covering around 2 units from the minus 3. So how we are going to note it down? So like that way, minus 3, and we are covering next 2 units, it means minus 2. So we have to take the plus from the 0, we are totally covering the minus 5. It means minus 3 and minus 2 becomes minus 5, we are covering, and again from that particular minus 5 we are covering how much total? Look at the board carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 units we are covering, it means it becomes plus 8. So where is the option? Same exactly like as this one. So option number, I think D is the correct one, same like as this one. So I hope you have got this one. Sixth one. So we are moving towards the next question, that is the question number 7th. Compare and fill in the box. So basically question starts from over here. Successor of minus 8 into inside the bracket minus 3 minus inside the bracket minus 5. Try to solve this one first and take the successor of this number. So successor, all of you know that what is meant by successor. Producer of this one, try to solve this one. First of all, try this one. Minus 6 divided by 36, it becomes minus 6, and minus 6 into minus 12 it becomes plus 72. So this becomes, I think, greater than as compared to this one. How we are going to do that? Look, so minus 8 into minus 3 and minus minus becomes plus 5, it becomes plus 2, it becomes minus 16, and last one, that is the minus 12 into, so 6 1 the 6, 6 is the 36, it becomes minus 6. So minus 6 into minus 12, it becomes 72 plus. So this is the greater symbol and this one is the smaller. So B is the correct one. So in the last moment, we forget to take the successor of this one. So successor of this one is equals to minus 15. So it becomes minus 15. Our answer is correct one. So but we haven't taken the successor of this one. So successor of this one it becomes minus 15 and predecessor of this one it becomes 71. So our answer is correct one. So as a B.